With just a few simple ingredients, plain cream cheese can be turned into a fresh and flavorful spread in only a few minutes. The dill adds freshness, while the finely grated onion and garlic bring plenty of flavor without making the texture chunky. You'll find the full list of ingredients and exact quantities in the description so you can easily follow along. Let me show you how. For the base, I like to use full-fat cream cheese with a mild neutral flavor, so the other ingredients can really come through. Transfer it to a bowl, then finely chop some fresh dill and scatter it over the cream cheese. For the onion, I prefer red onion because it adds a little extra color, and instead of chopping it, I grate it very finely with a microplane directly into the bowl. This gives me all the onion flavor without leaving any noticeable pieces. Next, I'll press the garlic directly into the bowl, sprinkle over the paprika, and season with salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything until smooth, creamy, and evenly combined. Then cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least an hour, giving all those flavors time to blend and mellow. I like to serve it chilled, spread generously over a slice of fresh bread. And that's it, a smooth and flavorful homemade cream cheese spread. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out and if you liked it. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss future recipes. Or check out one of my other videos, you might find something you like. Until next time, bye!